Aye pinso abusia tutujagu ene eye mbrante hin court case update ana chese abusia chese tutujagu echirima opebe $12,000 to $15,000 bi age e de frɛ ye mbrante hin wo na ekowi ase no na chese $12,000 ne $15,000 ye titi ye free ma $1,000 eye dollars ana chese ye je e de ama aye tutujagu abusia nyasam ketwa tutujagu ya aboka ewo kota chise nyasem ketwa kra na abusia amanka do so e de se 102 bi abetudwa na nsem we na ye bekom na yakwakwati hu enchiremu ba mesrew se obemi subscribe button no wamia eye bell na ewo nchen like video no so na bibia enye kama pa yes abusia nsem no enina na se ye na enim se eye tutujagu ode amanka do ene mrante hene ana akwakogina court na court nsensem no emse be last 3 days ana mokopi mu aye fikesiem o America na omokopi fikesiem no na chese akwakoye se aye tutujagu ebonu nkru obowi ana chese aye mrante en so abo no so ni nkru na ekowi ase no na chese tutujagu eje bebe $12,000 to $15,000 aye dollars e de asena taso na abusia ekowi ase no judge no ensem o kaye after say tutujagu make that request no na chese enyasem ketwa kra mrante hene se case no ya finding it there nanso sika na wo wetua no krampo no sika fiawa bi chese wutimu se $1,000 aye dollars chese aye mrante hino betimi krampo gira na so etua ne sada na but court chese spread amana chese obetumi de be 1 year and etua sa $1,000 no na abusua ye ba call na koti Kofi Abab ne nchiremu a ode aba ede afa aye court case update ni nemu but ye di kan hwe nsem we from aye Amankado after say tutujagu ene eye mrante hene kodi o masem ni wie no so me make some comment bi ewo eye social media no so na yankin kan wo say how do you feel now after allowing ya atopa side chick to bully innocent case and later run to the elders with cooked stories? You are proud of this Jimmy for trumutafre hene odwan me na se kutawi na no oto edema aye DJ Marcus obusa DJ Marcus say o feel say after say onne tutujagu anase tutujagu ebetena social media so bully ono nemba chese omu wie no msa call court ekokotwa nto ede kire court chese ochim say 7 period oye Jimmy for aye tumutafre hene chese 7 period otafre trumu osaso ye odwan me na se punchlines we eko edema aye DJ Marcus abusua wie no ana osade we eto aso say opana Jimmy, you can jubilate all you can with ya atopa, that's your girlfriend, if only she is not the one behind that fake account bullying my innocent children or my innocent case. She says she doesn't know Natina and Ngege. Funny. And I just say, yeah, Amankado eso a 2-way esade emane DJ Marcus say, or you opana Jimmy for yes now. Obetumi ene eye tutujagu achi o mani said omu pe bia in say enye lady na obe posting picture no ene she eye tutujagu account no echi ena achi say otutu bi e de amane eye DJ Marcus chirim say eye tutujagu ese onim eye Natina ene ma minkege abusua we eye nsema Amankado so e de begu ho e de ma eye tutujagu ene eye DJ Marcus obetutu bi e de amane omo abusua afei ana ye kwakwoti eye court nchirichirimu a je say e ba ye anase update free court ebaya chise right now ni de tutujagu aye $12,000 to aye $15,000 okwakope e de free aye mrante hene wono akwakoda na aye $1,000 pe chise eno so akwakoya atwetwi bia omotwetwi aye tutujagu o social media so busu aye ntie Kofi Abab inchirichire mu ye ba ebeto aso
ye wahanum na obekai say abrante friend mrante hene na wone ne kanchema ubuni se ne girlfriend. And I said, yes, yeah, before you can the canchema, what I say, first, and can a kiss, me kiss. I asante for you, become me girl, and so me girl, what I say. And I sobo, me sobo, and I kala, me kalam, so that I say, and can it tell you a trimp, you would be now you're different, what I say. Now, someone at the canchema, didn't come away, want to be nano. Okakansi was this what is a total light to say refer because we ought to be run as it said you watch it to go obey no and my area be gina so say when Kenya say be social media mouth talk ya what I say but in your bani gina so because now Satan like say in your bani so e de abranti ekugina court na enra court tena say obu asem no and I contempt be chimi ana She can be taken. And I will offer content about him free and go America. Come in, me. She can't make more content about him. I do a pushing, aka send the baby, or bound figure or bois dear bunipa, or buy him a medofo with shouting. I love you so much. What's coffee? Now, no will be a cracker sacran. I said, a rubber they can say, yeah. Oh, and then for dear, can't more federal charging police. And you know, caught in the tenacity up na omodi share so no na kese tutuja gosi akura no friend of mine tell no ana wa ha no pa ana asem wa beto no so no ana kese aha no nya dey say court so na obi o so be chiro dey ade be na se na ka we tutuja gu na ba ko da makom na ba ko so da o kan shi na kese kemu waye na mrante hini she fifi na ko dey yiri ba osnari kai na che na ka surudu esuru kani ma ka bo die ni de keja woni yi o de say JD ye kan DJ be feri JD ko de patrosia wodi patrosia do wemo wodi ka wufo eno na chese tutuzo ni esu de court wanya asakota na court no judge hwe na ni din so ya kora pode ututuje ku ye bad mabusa mami ngege ni apostle ntwi Kofi Albab omo so ye bad pa eti no judge ni busa so ni bobi firi Kofi Albab o se dey Kofi Albab, who is Kofi Albab, and also social media commentator and as a social media blogger firi Kofi Albab. First we text to Dubai emene chinyina eye ne ya betena Ghana unim no so to just dey Kofi Albab no se na mami ngege zo e no so wane mami ngege no so unim mami ngege no se mami ngege dey bi mami ngege dey no se Natina so e o so wane fe Natina no so unim Natina aka Father Joseph anakwado sibu tutuja me tafra mabakwe me obia sa okay ana judge ni busa say dey na yenye mam federal tutuja bi na sa say ne say waboka ya ama up and down no kwa family lawyer ne ade ntin court no nyi be $12,000 to $14,000 for man ana judge say mawo say 40,000 I remember taking puru and Nimasa and Mamma and Papa were done. Was why Mobo were dinner that can because I'm taking them put young body say the Sako camera take time. And I judge you to go and Miss say, are you sure say open $12,000 to $14,000? And I say, I common German because I bought a and the idea. Or person could come and crowd a tent. Tutujagu yakura bone papa woni ukuri chesa mudi mposa mudi dissociate mo so camera ba mposa mudi dinkrofo ho mebo a na mbotom yem de etijagiri hwe na nim di sa wo yi disperse to ro no so sa what in sa fa ni ase and also tutu was jagu what say no so I need 12,000 to 15,000 jagiri hwe ni what in the poma no boko jagu Wana emrate ya page na nikoyo yo pompa yo ni tiri radio tufue na ne ya satefue ohumwe nwa mi oda sa iske kwa hubido membese me sa mankrado radio makuru we se twa me ho 12,000 to 14,000 ye radio humo ngite wo sompa na sokuru ya taya mama sari ya taya mama sokuru ya ta mama radio humo chese radio su tie mrante hine esufre pa bu se na nya sanketwa kura eti judge hwem na tani so hey o de na wo ye no na say me bompae no so bompae say o say asi kana titije ku kai no me pa cha mu ni ba bia wa be saka ko jam nan awu dai ya wo shishiro judge say waji bia na wunim say high court dan ano ka chire police for so omo handcuff no fa no hu handcuff no so there bi ade na teko mi kese na mranta ina tinte so di atare na furu masa aere asumu e ka ne tete no se o pese o ja wona ya na de ne pesana yesu sa ro tinte so mi na ba to mi na ko ja wo e fe ko ja wo o tinte so to furu masa e tite wo so mo zemo wo di to furu masa se na ade na sa ateko Yes, at the for the miracle. What I'm writing here, think the so what you are free from us. I deny that. Okay, change oh, okay, that is okay. What's the no, so okay, and 2 minutes. It was supposed to joke. He said, what did you say again? I said, oh, I need $12,000 to $14,000. And also, that money is too much, lady. Case when your case be releases can the money. I don't friend ranting business say na adwuma be na and also a forklift operator na say visa no say na wo pay what you say nigga say ranting is just make say sounds like kodin kwase asem e wona adwuma ma yate the pay so George say ranting is kodin kwase asem e wona adwuma ma say this customer da ba so and ranting he ka che judge ni say my lord say the name mo ya dey pa ma me pa weti anu mu say adwuma no kra no hours na me ye no and it says me mama ya me papa ya bi ni aba ko kwanya stroke school fees say mrante keka ni nyina me na me twetwe ni nyina tipo so me so na sekari nyina ko to de wada wo me so o na mrante nyina bu ko to na o mrante na ai o de Ghana star na dro no ai na me mama kra yare we say African your life ni different from bruchi hanom no say me na me hwe fie ne de say na to jeje na kuma so oh and I judge ne say sorry jina no sorry jina and I judge ne say tutu jagu sika na wo so wo pe no eye $12,000 to $14,000 ni onya emfama no nemum no ye ma tutu jagu $1,000 wana tutu jagu ti my lord of film come on to go frako who social media who so camera who sorry uncle for so camera no mo ye video who when was the last time I saw camera ye video frako I'm not telling them we video who ye video ba be $12,000 to $14,000 Yama 1,000 frog on one to Jeva ko here DJ Tafubumski DJ Tafubumski when you na DJ Aere when the first obedi sika so be ji so okuma se so ti America e fa na be die and e do ko kwalebu DJ say yeah, but to get $1,000. When I'm ranting, I from you. I say that Yadimo Yami, hallelujah. I say that Yadimo Yami. Sana judges who school, Kumasi Prempe. Who schools, Kumasi Prempe, sounds what teach. And I judge and say, I said, they would do the no power. Oh, nigga say, judge in the side. Judge and say, okay. I'm not telling it. I said, yes, my lord. The first I go to them, cousin, too. Was it me, Baba spread this scanner at the amount? What you know, say, I'm not telling Lord, that was say. I want to say, $1,000 now. Court no, shall say, she never compensate to Jagun with the 12 months. In the betria, what you know say? Now I'm not just asking them. What would that woman so? What would that woman so? Me mammy drop away. I will fed ye. What would that woman so? Although near reward I saw, ye what they, although dear son at you, I drop a nekuma would need but me kuna media mio, I do Yana wo suami swing arewa midi yana wo binti asie sonia mabedie mi awasasi terere anti yamanga neke se amrate hini dehusie awo US court wo huri oh so huri amrate hini sa dedukum and it's so and you divided you understand $1,000 divided by 12 I'm not saying at least every month you are not going to be 80 whatever to $85. And man they say ebusia the kosi America or the $84 and $83 a month. I'm not going to say we can meet me piano. That's it. Yama to Jagu $1,000. What's up bois for answer na bra. Na me so ma dance kaka won me fa ma tutu. Mentan also what frame ni me di nkomo pen what you say. But me too for me ma dwen na me kire e di ama. E wi aso say wo yiro kom baby ba ye boom. Patapa pie to so ye de mra and the world. It's a time of social media and it's all about fun. What I say, your hand, your GG and me, Nana Buffalo Century Papa, not to say, your GG and your entertaining, and I said, informant and call forward, maybe because Madame Fubina at share through social media, no would be home. Now, I goodie, and I say, yeah, done and I could different and between ye Ghanaian community, no, yeah, near my egg and the episode you could back near sanity. It's about entertainment. What I say, and I, eh, move up, because watch mommy, Papa, now to say. But to social media is also the kind of crap, it's also the Quebec somehow. We will be a, over dog, pa, it was social media as well, and conform be dog, a person. You know, say conform be person. Men found Gigi near me be more cotton sense to M. What wouldn't say, and your lifestyle. What I say, yes, and yet lifestyle. No. Tutu sani near na kukoso no midwe kokot ana minim way ana mama sister emwa I South America achekakra unim near ma say abuchi ya yire onye adwuma ana enye sika ba se me de obi kokot makwaji sika agumi botom unim se emwa se sika unim se enye ohwe so jai sani near na ayonko guro eni opese oye bibi ma wiase nyina hu se we just say we obi and I say you are minim how much you use mouth so I say upe femu say dey na upo I don't know enya sa na oti tutu jagu sa ne ma ni jai me nuaba emwa and then what can we wa na ka wa woni ma ni ma bi egumanim no sister not only say me pewasem ntina obefa afon efrem ni medin ko Sanya mania sister wow. Where shall be critic enemy at their mouth. So that's it. It's no social media and so be a dear nessa aden enya. Obi do a tamano sweat dinibi. Obi count antenna me feeling netina no. Etina netina many moja near back. Would the netina tamwa or do but one no peta mama no so be fire. Nothing any time so do coco. Mammy gege, we are no rough or do but one about one jabber catcher. When you were dear whopping to jide your way, of course, one will be chowachi, what their children, then you say cracker. I was a mammy gege, still mammy gege, epiwassen. Upon all the ending in Archie, Netina epiwassen. Then say you anywhere one man to compo, and a mammy gege has all finishing at their children. Netina compo the bed 2 weeks in. I has all finished at all. Send your old way better one tear mass, Sammy, a boy, and mammy gege go few down. Go few down. So again, I will pay. Oh, social media, so open in. Again, I will pay. Tutu jagu. Again, I'm here. Can you find count? It is our branch and I would in a chin on found Korea baby papa. Sound in me no bibia, a mummy no asem. But social media, so yeah, say, and I can say, Mammy, forward your mother, and I'm support to and my own and your face sister and your face. What Chamuda, what travel? And me a more do social media and can say, and I teach you going to do your cocoa. And so they are saying cocoa. Judge, American law, judicial service, almost about 1,000. So that's it. Almost 1,000 yen for $1,000. As so what boka lawyer or farm on in that them anymore. What boka $4,000 to $5,000. How boka susu? Oboka susu. O lawyer fee kwa bonus can go wenya. What is $1,000 for you? What is 1,000? This can want to be 18,000. And can this can 180 million bear winning? So for keep you guys with me a dash more than that. That's it. And the question is I will be sick as a red and then people say so I'm working to this castle. Let's discuss this here. Hey, send you one idea, dear. But that's how about you. Or him, Mary Van Dam, Aaron, or say Asenso, George famous most support to program 024885027. Now most support to program no mumu what a ham. Nah, but who say we say bad George now. Hey George, we did do it here. I must support to program be there cause who say me be a tramechi dia chere me wahano me da wase yakopon shaw and now so minister be tramechi so de chere me nti I must support to program be there cause why enti tutujagu obia no ni asem e social ni media no so ene me bu on ma esa wa allow save man nko ma hu din bu ha no Faustina buadu anase badu ana badu Faustina Shiba Alice Wilson so hu ewo aha no just say me chia mu nyina yakopon enchira mu ewo dani dabi efuwa KKG maame na what say tutujagu onye hwi wo social media no so enya asemo ye ba ya unye obi a blogger said that soccer mama say he dadu mu mapo unye obi a blogger said that say ye be soccer camera na ya be di watem na we ka bi chiro debi wo de so wafa ho adi wafa fala so that say etini tutujagu mi ntufu ma adwe na me kire ebe ya nyeme bu atwetwe ho fi wate yonkofo bi won ma omuntimi mwa wo abrabo na aba mu no enu ase hwe ase wo pese oye bibi na wo de kire wiase nyina ase wo ho wana ne ko challenge wo social media obi en wana ko challenge bia wo kwampo no nye na nsen a o pictures bi epi na manfo kwampo che da nim enti wanga no de wo pese wo ye no ana na kumase ya ibi adam sei ana pen information esi feel kwa na nya wo dia kumase a ba ko dem bia we fia na utima na wo na odi agro ye fie nyina bibi agumanim asisi bibi agumanim so ase etino sister wonim se enema bi wo no ma me ka kire wo dia se wo pema sentina wo be fa phone e frame me so me pe wa asem so ntina me so ye dey me George film yeah George film me ta se panya ko pon shabra so that say eti tutuja enema bi wo no ma on twaso twtwa wo ne ma so bai who's American no the moment I do be court na feed information the mass system no most so much advanced country enema bi wo no ma enje Ghana ha no ma esi ja to mu America de ja to saa enema bi so ye boy na why you kwa keke kwa no etini eyi nyema bebre de ba nya Ghana card ya duru ba bia Ghana card yo ba bia ye adwuma yo ba bia enye adwuma o ja se enti no enema bi wo o yo ba ebedru mebene bia na ahema ebia ukuro kwa ahema bi ba beto ebi kwa na dibrekesi bi kwa ba beto ebi kwa na sabi o ba benya bemma bi na onso ba beso ma wade nsem bi ne dade na se o hwe wachi bi hu se usunu ubani a obetwe asan ahema bi kwa beto fie kwa me hu se nyema wo no aya intimi fa ma wo se da koma nua ketua bi ene ya dade ni nyina emba enti no meso se ani dem nya obra se mo ani mra ho so social ni media no so midwe kokko midwe se emwa why abeya twitwitwa sembi so the ko ani why tutujagu ebia de ko ya anka corporate $12,000 to $14,000 but America aban no mpeni $14,000 almost $1,000 also akofa lawyer lawyer $2,000 ni hwan ni eka bebiri wo mo kakra no woni emranten ba monte beka chem semboa wo mo kakra $4,000 de waboka de ese amount 1,000 near 4,000, 80,000, 4,000. Was like 3 ni kwa sense ka kwanya cash. Yes, a branch and a man of 12 months set over $1,000 no famo. It is busumi bi aso amene it branch and probate me 50 akọ or probate me 100 akọ or probate 150 akọ. Mfa so be na nya free so. E branch and so social media and sembi wo no ma ye ka ene saa ne ma me na wan me na emwa udididi nkofo bi achi ana na nsewe politics do ma ahene kwa kete na odi do ma ahene ni mtwitwu fo di na tem do ma ahene ni ye nana wo se tutu sorry otufo wo se tutu ewo ntokwa we fa ho be ayan fufo mienu ana enya ono ntokwa ana omo ko odi so be ta achiri no already because sisi am no kesen ye betimi afre ye nana do ma ahene ni afre otufo se omomra ipacho wo be gina hemfa itina sa traba we no wan fofo me mfama no ntum no because me do bia me nyanyi mu me do man ko minim ho so that say minim do ma minim ebunofo minim asantefo minim ye nyira yi pa ba and say what was small boy what another man and I remember come on ye mo pani din sa owa de kunta wo ye sa de no wo ba obetima fa nyansa kwa bi so ene nana na eda akasa nana wo de mo se nema bi koso adaroma adebo ma entwaye enti nana me de mesraw wo padi de na wudi rega na ka obobra bibiri ye hwe ye judicial ya wudi mo kotene pa enti nana de nema sa na pani to se ampa asema ka na etaso abetra ne chama emwa show video me se bia okeka di ata emwa social media be say ma mi ngege afasanchi unya so pani on se makeke nyina emwa ya na mu fi se mo keka se bu abuchi ma from wadi ibiasa na no abranche ya na oti Dubai ya eso ye ba akwachi na to afere obu nkotudwe pa ache yiwo so that say eti mrata ntufu opa bra be pa ache na information ketikiti bo ma wo so ye release infama na so kom ye de enjo
so abusua no ane akwakuti e de aba achese ne de ye de 1 year e na ba betua $1,000 a year ena e de ama tutujagu ebra na ono de ope a year $12,000 to a year $15,000 na de so mu chechiri ma e ka wa bokora mpo no enye kaketo achese $1,000 ne titi free ne kanimu a chese still na oda so e de ka bebra enya sam keto akora so abusua eye Kofi Abab ana ono so e de eye ne chechiri mu abegu a chese update free a year mrante hene ene tutujagu court case no nsem no ana yakwakuti e de abana achese ni na no na atwetwe so enemu a owie no ode afutu o se wo kire na atwen but hu ne se afutu ana ode ema eye tutujagu ene mbrante hini na enyasem ketokra abusua obetumi a kire wa atwen e comment section ho na chese bibia so aye kama pa aha eye Insight GH meso so be mi subscribe button no no mi eye bell na e won chen like video no so na bibia enye kama pa aha ana abusua me di osi makra